Hello and welcome back to Grammar of World. In today's detailed lecture, we are going to explore one of the most important and foundational topics in English grammar, nouns. This video is your complete guide, from basics to advanced, on what nouns are, their types, uses, examples, and tips for mastering them. So, make sure you watch till the end. Section 1. What is a noun? 030. Let's begin with the simplest definition. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, idea, or feeling. Nouns are the building blocks of sentences. Every sentence usually has at least one noun. Examples: person, teacher, Ria, doctor. Place, school, New York, beach. Thing, table, phone, book. Idea or quality, honesty, freedom, happiness. Feeling, anger, love, fear. Nouns answer the questions: who, doctor, engineer. What, chair, apple. Where, city, village. Which idea or feeling? Loyalty, peace. Without nouns, we cannot form proper sentences. Section 2. Classification of nouns, 2 o'clock. Now let's look at the main types of nouns. These help us understand how nouns behave in different situations. 1. Proper nouns. A proper noun refers to the specific name of a person, place, organization, or event. Always starts with a capital letter. Examples: people, Mahatma Gandhi, Steve Jobs. Places, India, London, Himalayas. Brands, Nike, Apple, Samsung. Events, Diwali, Christmas. Proper nouns are always unique. Saying city is common, but saying Mumbai makes it proper. 2. Common nouns. A common noun is a general name for a class of people, places, or things. Examples: people, teacher, boy, girl. Places, city, market, river. Things, phone, car, chair. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. 3. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are things you can perceive with your senses. You can see, hear, touch, taste, or smell them. Examples: apple, music, rain, perfume, stone. These are physical objects or sensations that exist in the real world. 4. Abstract nouns. An abstract noun refers to things that cannot be seen or touched. These are ideas, emotions, qualities, or states. Examples: beauty, courage, intelligence, truth, sadness. You cannot touch or see honesty, but you know what it means. 5. Countable nouns. These are nouns that can be counted. They have both singular and plural forms. Examples: 1 pen, 2 pens. A chair, 5 chairs. We use a, and, many, few, several, number of with countable nouns. 6. Uncountable nouns. These nouns cannot be counted individually. They often refer to liquids, materials, or abstract ideas. Examples: water, sugar, salt, happiness, information. They do not have plural forms. You can't say 2 informations. Instead, use phrases like a piece of information or a glass of water. 7. Collective nouns. A collective noun represents a group of people, animals, or things spoken of as one unit. Examples: a team of players. A flock of birds. A bunch of flowers. A class of students. Though they refer to many, they often take singular verbs. 8. Compound nouns. A compound noun is formed when 2 or more words are combined to create a single noun. Examples: toothpaste, schoolboy, brother-in-law, washing machine. They can be closed form, notebook. Hyphenated, sister-in-law. Open form, post office. Section 3. Forms of nouns, 7 o'clock. 1. Singular and plural nouns. Singular noun, refers to one item. Book, apple, man. Plural noun, refers to more than one item. Books, apples, men. Rules for forming plurals. Add s, dog, dogs. Add es, box, boxes. Change y to ies, baby, babies. Irregular plurals. Man, men. Woman, women. Child, children. Mouse, mice. Some nouns stay the same in plural. Deer, sheep, series. 2. Possessive nouns. Possessive nouns show ownership or relationship. Examples. Singular, girl's book, book of the girl. Plural, boys' hostel, hostel of many boys. Rules. Singular, add s. Plural ending in s, add only. Irregular plural. Add s, children's toys. Section 4. Functions of nouns in a sentence, 10 o'clock. Nouns play many roles in a sentence. 1. Subject. Who or what the sentence is about. Ravi runs fast. 2. Object. Receives the action of the verb. She ate an apple. 3. Object of a preposition. The book is on the table. 4. Subject complement. Follows linking verbs and describes the subject. He is a doctor. Section 5. Gender of nouns, 12 o'clock. Nouns have gender, especially in traditional grammar. Types. Masculine gender, boy, uncle, king. Feminine gender, girl, queen, mother. Common gender, teacher, doctor, child. Neuter gender, book, tree, phone. Neuter nouns refer to non-living things. Section 6. Gerunds, 1300 hours. A gerund is a noun formed from a verb by adding ing. Examples. Swimming is fun. Reading improves knowledge. Though they look like verbs, they function as nouns. Section 7. Abstract nouns from adjectives and verbs, 1400 hours. Abstract nouns are often derived from adjectives or verbs. From adjectives. Kind, kindness. Happy, happiness. Pure, purity. From verbs. Grow, growth. Decide, decision. Develop, development. Section 8. Tips to identify nouns, 1530. 1. If a word can be made plural or possessive, it's likely a noun. 2. Nouns often come after a, an, or the. 3. Check the function in a sentence. If it names something, it's probably a noun. 4. Look for suffixes like tie-in, education, pollution. Meant, improvement, punishment. Ity, creativity, clarity. Ness, sadness, kindness. Section 9. Common mistakes with nouns, 1630. 1. Saying informations instead of information. 2. Using a milk instead of a glass of milk. 3. Confusing childs with children. For saying peoples, correct form is people. Avoid using plural forms with uncountable nouns. Section 10. Practice sentences, 1730. Let's test your understanding. Identify the nouns in these sentences. 1. The cat sat on the mat. Nouns, cat, mat. 2. Honesty is the best policy. Nouns, honesty, policy. 3. My friends are going to the zoo. Nouns, friends, zoo. 4. She gave me useful information. Nouns, information. 5. The bunch of grapes is on the table. Nouns, bunch, grapes, table. Section 11. Summary, 1900 hours. Let's summarize what we learned today. A noun is a naming word. Nouns can name people, places, things, ideas, or feelings. There are many types: proper, common, concrete, abstract, countable, uncountable, collective, compound. Nouns have singular, plural, and possessive forms. They can serve as subjects, objects, complements, and more. Nouns can be masculine, feminine, common, or neuter in gender. You can create abstract nouns from adjectives and verbs. Be cautious of common noun errors, especially with uncountables. Conclusion, 2030. And that brings us to the end of this detailed lecture on nouns. I hope this video helped you master everything about nouns, from the basics to advanced grammar. If you found this helpful, please like this video. Subscribe to Grammar of World. Click the bell icon for regular grammar lessons. And share your doubts or favorite part of today's lecture in the comments below. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, only on Grammar of World.